In this video, I'll give you 14 different campaign ideas that you can use to engage with your list and generate more profits for your e-commerce store. But wait, why bother sending manual campaigns? Let's just focus on the automated stuff, like building more flows, right? Wrong. Campaigns might require some manual work, but when done right, they're like an ATM for your e-commerce store. And unlike automated flows, you have a broader reach and get to decide who will receive them. And now, more than ever, all the new restrictions and privacy policy changes on social media platforms, campaigns remain an untapped source of direct communication with your clients that doesn't cost a dime in paid ads. Now, you might be wondering, Nate, I get that campaigns can generate a ton of revenue from my e-commerce store and help me build my brand, but which campaign should I send and without being too spammy? That's a great question, and the answer is even simpler. The more diversified, the better. Let me explain. Sending purely sales-oriented campaigns or educational emails alone can lead to audience fatigue and reduce engagement with your brand. So with that being said, let's jump into our first campaign idea. Campaign idea number 1, the bestseller campaign, which basically means show off your best-selling products to potential customers. I mean, there's a reason why they're bestsellers, right? So in your emails, you'd want to include features, benefits, and real customer reviews to make a greater impact and a deeper emotional connection with your brand. And hey, why not theme the campaign around a holiday or a season? Campaign idea number 2, the free product with purchase campaign. Ever seen a campaign like this in your inbox? You know, buy 1 or 2, get free gift. This kind of deal really gets customer buying and boosting your AOV. It's simple. They buy, and you throw in a complimentary gift. Just like in our example, an exfoliating bag with the purchase of 2 soaps. Small, sure, but these gifts make your customer feel more connected with your brand. Campaign idea number 3, the referral campaign. Got loyal customers? Great. Let's turn them into your brand ambassadors. Encourage them to spread the word by offering an award to both the referrer and the referred customer. And oh boy, this campaign is great for getting new customers excited about your brand. And with acquisition costs for new clients on the rise, use this one today and thank me later. Campaign idea number 4, the blog content campaign. This is the free advice campaign. Share those expert tips and tricks, give some valuable advice, and make your brand stand out as the leader in your industry. Pro tip, don't try to hard sell in this email, but if you do include products that help solve the problem you talked about, that would be a win-win. Campaign idea number 5, the giveaway campaign. Weekly or monthly campaigns have so many benefits. This campaign aims to boost brand awareness, increase social media engagement, you know, those share and tag friends on Instagram and Facebook posts, and grow your email list while creating excitement and a sense of community around your brand. Campaign idea number 6, the flash sale campaign. Here's a favorite for fast revenue and clearing out extra stock. Limited time deals. Offer big discounts to create urgency and get those quick sales. Perfect for deal hunters and great for engaging customers on the lookout for savings. Pro tip, use countdown timers to make your scarcity real. Campaign idea number 7, the product launch, pre-order, and teaser campaigns. New is exciting. Get your customers excited about a new product or feature with a sneak peek and exclusive email access. This way you ensure a successful launch and possibly even sell a product or 2. Campaign idea number 8, SMS campaign growth. SMS marketing is all the rage right now, and for a good reason. If your store is not on board yet, here's your chance to start. Use this campaign to gather SMS numbers from your current customers and tap into the power of text messaging. Campaign idea number 9, the buy now, pay later campaign. This campaign is a must-have for those high-ticket items. If you sell them, you know what I mean. Allow your customers to defer payment and maybe even add an exciting USP, like no interest, to seal the deal. Campaign idea number 10, the holiday campaign. Use those special days that get everyone in a festive mood to drive sales with a limited time offer. This can be an actual holiday or an unofficial holiday or a special occasion. Campaign idea number 11, reviews, social media, and press. Encourage customers to share their stories to build trust with potential customers. Highlight press mentions to increase credibility, and it's a home run. Campaign idea number 12, survey quiz campaign. This campaign collects key data and customer feedback, deepening connections. It's great for audience segmentation boosting targeted marketing. Later in this course, we'll dive deeper into this. Quizzes can increase sales by providing personalized product recommendations. Campaign idea number 13, back in stock campaign. You can alert customers when previously unavailable products are back in stock, exciting them to complete their purchase. This campaign is designed to recover potentially lost sales, enhance customer satisfaction, and keep shoppers informed about product availability. Campaign idea number 14, weekly or monthly series. They say building momentum is 70% of the way for achieving any goal. This isn't just one campaign, but a series designed to build anticipation, keep engagement high, and establish a lasting connection with your audience. Take Care Wednesday and FAQ Friday, for instance. These campaigns nurture customers' relationships, encourage repeat visits, and keep your brand in the spotlight. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. I hope these campaigns got you all fired up about the possibilities already within your reach. Our clients have generated millions using the exact formats, and I hope you find it valuable too. And if you have any question at all, please leave a comment down below. In our next videos, I'll talk about email deliverability and how to scale up your account to send more and more campaigns while keeping your account in good standing. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.